Ahoy and welcome to Laser Gadgets. Today another little demo of a laser gun. As you can see, it's a bit steampunky, a bit of a classical ray gun. That's actually what the customer asked for. Pretty ray gunny with a discs here and the ball tank, and I added a couple of lights. He asked for a tube in the rear, and I added, as always, like on the last one, some heat sinks and this little sight there. This is like a focus ring, just makes it a bit more, you know, wooden grips, wooden panels on the grip, full metal for the rest. Tank here, and it's it looks like an old toy from 1955, I think, or 54, pretty old. It's called the Disintegrator, and he wanted something like that, so that's what we have here. Just a bit more detail. The old one was from cast metal, probably aluminum or tin or whatever it was. I used brass and steel and aluminum and aged it, and this stuff here is real rust, just to make it a bit more like aged. And I also etched parts of the brass to make it look older, and it looks pretty good in my opinion. For the name, he chose Old Reliable. I etched that on the brass sign here, little stand. He asked for like a copper rail just to make it a bit more, it looks old school. Whenever there's copper and wood, it makes it look a bit more, yeah, let's say Victorian. And yeah, now let's fire the laser. Should be a nice blue beam as always. Yep. Let's try to pierce an old sock. Washed. Fresh off out of the laundry. Don't burn. I said don't burn. God. Am I melting the Nerf mag? Yeah, kind of. Great. Awesome. Plastic cap. Nice tiny hole. Black plastic is just too much fun. My favorite victim, the orange paper. It's a bit out of focus. It's actually set to a like a bit farther range. Still burns though. So that works. Good to know. So that is that one. Works fine. Looks great. Yeah, rusty. I really like the weathered used look. Gives a bit more detail, bit more story, bit more flair, bit more character. I should do that a bit more often. It takes time, so you know, he was paying for it, so I was able to do it. And that's it. Next time, maybe another Nerf. I'm working on something. Maybe another laser gun. Working on a laser SMG as well. Stay tuned and find out yourself. Thanks for watching, and I see you guys next time.